Welcome to Sri Vidya Academy for Special Education, Learning Made Easy. In this video, we will discuss a question on the topic sets which appeared in 2018 JEE Mains. Two sets A and B are as under. Set A is equal to set of all ordered pairs AB belong to R cross R. R is set of real numbers here such that modulus of A minus phi is less than 1 and modulus of B minus phi is also less than 1. This is set A. Set B is equal to set of all ordered pairs AB belong to R cross R such that 4 into A minus 6 whole square plus 9 into B minus 5 whole square is less than or equal to 36. Then neither A is subset of B nor B is subset of A is option A. Option B is subset of A, and option C is A is subset of B, and option D is A intersection B is empty, that is A and B are disjoint sets. So let us find the correct answer. First, let me consider the given equation in the set B. That is, I have 4 into A minus 6 whole square. Let me consider this equation. 4 into A minus 6 whole square plus 9 into B minus 5 whole square less than or equal to 36. Let me divide this equation by 36. The given equation becomes A minus 6 whole square divided by 36. 4 divided by 36. That is, I have 9 here in the denominator, which can be written as 3 square, plus 9 into B minus 5 whole square by 36 is nothing but B minus 5 whole square divided by 9 4s are 36. So this is 2 square, which is less than or equal to 1 here. Now I will put A minus 6 is equal to X and B minus 5 is equal to Y. That is, we are affecting the change of origin. Therefore, given equation becomes x square by 3 square plus y square by 2 square is less than or equal to 1. So this is in the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, which represents the equation of the ellipse where a is greater than b. Therefore, the points satisfying this x and y is nothing but set B. Next, I have to consider this A minus 6 is equal to x and B minus 5 is equal to y. So that let me redefine set A. In set A, we have set of all ordered pairs AB. This is set A actually. Belong to R cross R such that modulus of A minus 5 is less than 1 and modulus of B minus 5 is also less than 1. Now I have A minus 6 is equal to x. This I have considered when I consider the equation in the set B. Therefore, A minus 6 is equal to x implies A minus 5, that is, add 1 to this A minus 6 is equal to x on both sides. So we get A minus 5 is equal to x plus 1 and I have B minus 5 is equal to y. Therefore, A minus 5, that is modulus of A minus 5 is less than 1 means modulus of x plus 1 less than 1 in set A. So instead of A minus 5 in set A, I can take modulus of x plus 1. Therefore, I have minus 1 less than x plus 1 less than 1. That is, x plus 1 lies between minus 1 to plus 1 by the definition of modulus function, that is modulus of x plus a is less than b. Means I have minus b less than x plus 1 less than 1 here. So we get by solving this inequality we get minus 2 less than x less than 0. So I got one inequality here, minus 2 less than x less than 0. And modulus of b minus 5 less than 1. Modulus of b minus 5 is less than 1 implies modulus of y less than 1. That is b minus 5 is y here, which implies minus 1 less than x less than 1. That is minus 1 less than y here. Minus 1 less than y is less than 1. That is y lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So now we can plot the graph approximately for this ellipse as well as these two sets of inequalities. First, let me draw an ellipse approximately like this, where I have r cross r also here. That is, this is y axis. This is y axis. So we have the equation of the ellipse as x square by 3 square plus y square by 2 square is less than or equal to 1. So that means all the points on the ellipse and the interior of the ellipse is nothing but set B. Here I have this point as 3 0 here. I have x square by 3 square. Therefore this point is 3 0, and this point must be minus 3 0. Here I have 2 0. Sorry, it is 0 2 0 2, and this will be 0 minus 2. So all the points inside the ellipse and on the ellipse is nothing but the set B now. And I have another set of inequality, that is minus 2 less than x less than 0 and minus 1 less than x less than 1. So let me plot this on the graph. So therefore I have 0 here and minus 1 and minus 2 here on the x-axis, and here I have y. I'm sorry, this is minus 1 less than y less than 1. So y, the point y is, here I have 1 here and another point minus 1 here. So if we consider these 2 points, we will get a square like this. We'll be having a square like this. I have a square inside the ellipse. This square is nothing but set A. This is set A and this is set B. So clearly A is inside B, therefore A is subset of B. A is subset of B, which is in option C. Thank you. Please share this video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. Tap the bell icon to get the notifications on my new videos. Thank you.